At Paintless Dent Doctor, we take pride in delivering great customer service and high-quality repairs in a timely fashion. Every customer is greeted and serviced professionally, and our waiting area is meticulously cleaned and designed for a comfortable waiting experience. Since 2005, we work hard to earn and maintain a reputation as Baltimore's best paintless dent and bumper repair shop. We're your experts when in need of paintless dent repair, including small door dings, creases, bodyline dents, large dents, and hail damage. When the damage is more severe, we also offer bumper repair and bumper replacements, minor collision repair, scratch repair, and headlight restoration. With over 250 five-star reviews and 17 years experience, making us your all-inclusive automotive reconditioning company. Need a quote? Text pictures of your damage to 443-610-2769. And remember, when your car gets a ding, give the doc a ring.